Right now we are walking from the hotel down to the Mercedes Benz Museum. It's only a couple 100 meters. We'll see you down there. This is what it looks like walking down there. I'll say, hey Pook, do you need to go toy?
Toy.
Toy. That one's
toy.
busy. Look. There we go. They're talking about the horses. Dang LED light. This is the 1886 Benz Patent Motorwagen. This was not only the first gasoline engine vehicle, but also the world's first motorcycle. So this was 1888 Daimler Motorboot Marie. This is 1888. Don't know what's going on here. Oops. Daimler Motor Quadricycle, 1889. Oh shit, there's my brother, Carl Benz.
Yeah, maybe.
This is Nicholas August Otto, 1880. Here's the Carl Benz started producing his gas engine, 1881. Two-stroke design. There's the Daimler locomotive. Cruising through the history. Still 1800s, 1899 to 1899. There's Mercedes. It's the first modern automobile. Mercedes Benz toys. Now this is the gallery of Voyagers, the ones that are set up to, what's the word? To move people, transport people. A nice looking one, huh? This is a 2005 Marco Polo CDI 2.2. This is a 72 Mercedes 300 SEL 6.3. Oh, this is a 1985 300 TD turbo diesel. That's crazy. This is 1980. Moving up in the years. Cute little Mercedes. The problem with this is I want to film everything, but nobody wants to watch 45 minutes or an hour of just the cars. Oh, maybe some people. So these are the commercial vehicles. Look at that. This would be cool. Yes. sweep road my way. Oh yeah, getting into the late 60s and 70s. Booyah. This is a 64 230 SL. This is a 64 also. What does it say? A 220S. It's an 84 190E. A little baby Mercedes. So this is a 1980 300 SD. Very nice. This gallery of celebrities. Do you recognize this one? Oh, this is Princess Diana. That's awesome. Fred, this one's for you. This is Nicolas Cage's Mercedes. '65 Mercedes Benz 600 Pullman Stotz limousine. Wow. Oh, there's one from the Lost World. A 97 ML 320. Look at that. It's a 2012 electric drive. That'll get squashed. Oh, the Barbie 97. That's okay. 230. I don't know what young timer means. Guess I'm getting old. What's that? SL500 2005.
I like a pink one.
You want a pink one? So these are the rally sports, kind of funky. Oh. Wow, these are 55s. And these would be the early races. Okay, 1908 Benz Grand Prix. 1909. We are going down to the cafe. Whoopsh. Yes, we're crazy to be paying these prices, but we're hungry. So that's what we're gonna do. Stule is what Pook got. I got some kind of sandwich.
From Brian now.
That'd be nice. 1970 Mercedes Benz C111. That's a cool one. F700, wow. I guess before we get out of here, we will have to go through the gift shop. And actually, there's a restaurant down here, too. So, other than that, we're going to take off and head downtown and check out the Schlossplatz Castle Place, something. Pook says she wants that. I don't know if they ever made it. Yeah.
It's the same company, but this one no. It will be fine.
It's amazing. Maybe if you get another job, Pook. Okay, that's it for the Mercedes-Benz Museum. We made it through the gift shop without buying anything. Now we're gonna walk back to the car and then head into town someplace. So we'll see you on the road. Okay, we parked next to the Capia Centrum. Hey, Stuttgart, let's pretzel! Let's pretzel! Oh, faces on the pretzels. Jurassic World, die Wiedergeburt. Something like that. Christoph. Is that Christopher Columbus? Can't even speak. Pook brought me down here. Don't know what that is. It's a statue, top of a tall pole. Double Käseblatt. So let's just go in here. Picture of that fountain. Alright, no idea. Pook thinks it's some kind of mallish type thing. Oh, we're going up. Nanu Nana. Alright, we're gonna go up one more floor. We're going up to the 3rd floor to find some food, get some dinner. We just had a little snacky for lunchy. So we're gonna look for some actual food. Well, the question is, will we regret eating food court Korean food in Stuttgart? That's it for our food court food in Stuttgart. It was fine. It was filling. A lot of rice. So we're gonna call it good. We're gonna head back and get the car, pay for parking, and probably go back to the hotel room. It's getting late. We're old.
Well, I go to the supermarket to buy some food.
Okay. I guess we're going to the supermarket first. All right. We'll see you later.